Standard 6 English medium. We were busy with chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. Now, today we will do some examples from exercise 1.2. Here first, some says that there were a book exhibition was there, and it was for the 4 days. First day, second day, third day, and fourth day. The number of tickets sold is shown here. The first day 1094, second day 1812, third day 2050, and fourth day 2751. Now they ask that find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So here obviously first you have to think that what to do. Addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So now we have to find the total number of tickets sold. It means that we have to add these 4 numbers. So here we will do the addition here. 4 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus another 10, 20, carry 2, 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 17. And then carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total. So here you can write down that answer that on all 4 days total how many? 7,707 tickets were sold. So here we see that we have to do the addition. We will take third example now. It shows that in an election, the successful candidate registered 577,500 votes. 577,500 votes. That is the candidate who won this election. And the rival, other one get 3,48,700 votes. You can write down votes here. This is the winner, or you can say the successful candidate. Successful candidate got this. And the rival means the next to it, he got this much votes. Now we have to find that by what margin did the successful candidate won the election. It means that the successful candidate got how much more votes than the rival candidate. So obviously here we have to do the subtraction. Then we can understand how many more votes successful candidate got, and therefore here we have to do the subtraction, right? So 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, here 15, so here it will be 6, 15 minus 7, 8, here 6, again we have to carry, we have to borrow the money because 6 is smaller, so it will be 16 and here it will be 6. 16 minus 8 is 8, 6 minus 4 is 2, and 5 minus 3 is 2. Right? So here, that much votes was the margin. It means that the successful candidate won the election by the margin of 2,28,800 watt. So 2,28,800 watt was the margin by which the successful candidate won the election. So here we saw that here we have to do the addition. Here the sum we have to do the subtraction. So by reading and then thinking, first you have to understand, you have to make sure that which operation should be done, addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. We will take another question. Now the others you can do yourself by reading and thinking about it. And now we will see the other. Like we will take sixth one. It shows that a machine on average manufactures 2,825 screws. On average. Means every day, almost they make 2,825 screws a day. And they manufacture 2,825 screws a day. And then we have to find how many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006. Now, it means that in one day, they manufacture 2,825 screws. Now, the whole month of January, in that month, how many screws did they manufacture? So here, obviously, you will understand that we have to do the multiplication. Now, 2,825 multiplied by how much? So now you should be aware how much days are there in the month of January. We know how to do that by your hand also. That when there is a mountain, 31 days. When there is a valley, like that, then there is 30 days. But only except the February will 28 or 29 according to the leap year or non-leap year. So first is the January, and everybody knows January has 31 days. So January month has 31 days. So we have to multiply 2,825 by 31. So 2,825 multiplied by 31. Now, first of all, I will multiply with the here. So first 0. 5 3s are 15. Carry 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 7. 8 3s are 24. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. 8. Then 5 1s are 5. 2 1s are 2. 8 1s are 8. And 2 1s are 2. Then we have to add them. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 8 is 15, carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7 and 8. So it means that in the month of January, they have manufactured 87,575 screws. So you have to write down the answer in the end, that the machine manufactured 87,575 screws in the month of January 2006. So here you have to understand that that is the sum in which we have to do the operation of multiplication. Then we will take one of them as a division, in which the division is there. So we can understand each type of sums so that you can do other sums by yourself, because it's not so difficult. Look here, in the 7th, in the 7th, I'm not going to do it, but I will just going to explain you. That a merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. Then she placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1,200 each. So here 40 radio sets, and the price is rupees 1,200 each. So what was his total amount for purchasing radios? Obviously it must be multiplied. So we have to multiply 1,200 by 40, then you will get the answer. Now at the end, how much money will remain with her after the purchase? So in the beginning, she had how much rupees were that? She has 78,592. Then from that, we have to subtract that amount you got here, because she had that amount and she bought the 40 radio sets from this amount. So what will be remaining amount? That we have to subtract. So you can do it yourself also. Here I just gave you the explanation how to do that sum.